मैं आपके लिए एक ऐसी चीज लाई हूँ लौकी फॉर यू।
इट इज माय फेवरेट। तो बचपन में मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं थी।
आई मीन हु लव्स लौकी?
आई डू।
लौकी इज रियली गुड। अच्छी है ना?
अच्छी कैसे नहीं होगी, मेरे घर की।
पटियाला पैग और काला खट्टा।
डेफिनेटली पटियाला पैग। जब मैं छोटा था और पंजाब जाते थे, मर्द लोग दारू पी लेते थे। छोटा सा पापा के साथ बैठा होता था, म्यूजिक बजने लगता था, फिर वो सर पे ग्लास रख के डांस कर रहे हैं, बॉटल रख के डांस कर रहे हैं। I actually find it very amusing. I couldn't dance with my leg was broken. That's why all the songs I've done, my steps, all hand movements. That became like a Bobby Deol style of dancing.
So if you have to describe today's food in a very Abrar style, how would you do it?
I will just do.
लौकी, ये सब्जी ज्यादातर लोगों को पसंद है, पर जब भी मैंने इस एक्टर को पूछा है इनकी फेवरेट सब्जी क्या है या इन्हें क्या खाना सबसे ज्यादा पसंद है, ये कोई डिमसम या सुशी नहीं कहते, ये कहते हैं इन्हें लौकी खाना पसंद है। So today I'm going to enjoy some लौकी for Sunday brunch with none other than Bobby Deol। तो जानते हैं कैसे रहा उनका सफर फ्रॉम बादल टू एनिमल एंड फ्रॉम बॉबी to Lord Bobby. Let's go. Hello, hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Come.
You have a beautiful house.
Thank you.
कितने सालों से रह रहे हो आप यहाँ पर?
Well, as long as 50 years.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. तो सारे यहाँ पर रहते हैं? Everybody
Yeah, we all
lives-
live together. No? We all, my brother, my bhabhi, my nephews, my family, mom and dad, my chachi, my cousin sister, we all live together.
Oh my God, do you have a count of number of people living in this house?
4 of my family, 4 of my brother's family, my
8.
mom, dad, chachi,
10.
and
Oh
my
God.
cousin sister.
Amazing. It's so rare ना आजकल joint family में रहना सब एक साथ।
I guess it's just that we have space. Otherwise, I think even if we don't live together, you love each other, and so you always joint, no matter if you live in separate houses.
Right, absolutely.
Come.
Yeah. तो घर तो आपका पुराना है पर इंटीरियर्स काफी लेटेस्ट और अपडेटेड लग रहे हैं। हाउ कम?
My wife, she loved interiors earlier, so she loves these paintings. So everything you see here is kind of her input. I leave it up to my wife. वही सब कुछ करती है. She has a great eye. मतलब she styles me. She does everything for me.
आप हमेशा ही फैमिली के साथ रहे हैं. Have you ever lived alone by yourself?
No, I remember when I started working.
हाँ.
और जब मैं जाता था लंबे outdoors के लिए, तो I used to get very low. And I used to call my mom and dad and speak to them, and like, I miss you all.
For a Bibba Punjabi boy.
Now we're just 11, 12 of us, but earlier on there was my cousins who came and stayed here before they shifted, because they were living outside India, and maybe buas, they all stayed here before they left. And then there was my granddad, my grandmom. It was like a house full of kids with my sister. We used to play volleyball, we used to play throw ball, we used to play badminton, play chor police, dabba, spice, lagodi. I'm born and brought up in this house. Never been used to living in an apartment.
Yeah. Do you have any favorite hangout points around?
Nothing. मैं घर ही इतना अच्छा है, कहाँ जाऊँ मैं? After you start working, then अब इतना बाहर जा नहीं सकते. मेरे 1-2 फेवरेट रेस्टोरेंट्स हैं, वहाँ चला जाता हूँ, लेकिन ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि मुझे बाहर ही जाना खाना खाने के लिए. आजकल तो आप घर पे सब कुछ ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं.
अच्छा, तो आप ज्यादा बाहर से मंगाते रहते हो खाना या घर का खाना ज्यादा पसंद है?
घर का खाना ज्यादा पसंद करता हूँ.
मैं आपके लिए एक ऐसी चीज लाई हूँ जो मुझे पता है आपको बहुत पसंद है.
Okay.
ठीक है? लौकी फॉर यू.
It is my favorite सब्जी. मतलब बचपन में मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं थी. हर दिन डिनर के लिए बनती थी.
I mean, who loves लौकी?
I do. My whole family does besides my kids.
Okay.
उन लोगों को आदत नहीं पड़ी, पर हम क्या ना कि मेरी grandmother knew exactly. She was very simple. She was a vegetarian. शाम को लौकी बनती थी, या तोरी, या टिंडे, गाजर और मूंग की दाल.
अच्छा.
काली दाल रात को कभी बनती नहीं थी. राजमा कभी रात को बनता नहीं था. Because it was quite scientific actually, because you can't digest heavy food in the night.
Yeah.
फिर दोपहर को राजमा बनता था, छोले बनते थे, Aloo gobi was always there,
Yeah.
and things like that. So I've grown up eating that.
पंजाबी घर है, I'm sure Sunday brunch, is it very special or how is it?
जब छोटे थे सब साथ में बैठ के खाते थे, but it was always at the lunch time,
Hmm.
never later. So it was never a brunch.
Yeah.
ब्रंच तो बड़े होके सीखे हम लोग कि ब्रंच क्या होता है। पहले तो पता ही नहीं था, हम तो सुबह नाश्ता, दोपहर को लंच और रात को खाना।
साथ में बैठकर खाते हैं हमेशा दोपहर को, डिफरेंट टाइमिंग।
डिफरेंट टाइमिंग्स हो गए ना, सब बिजी हैं,
Hmm.
सब काम पे हैं, तो सबकी टाइमिंग्स अलग हो जाती हैं।
And if it's a day of indulgence, what do you usually have for lunch? Is it chane chawal, rajma chawal, or lots of paranthas?
Yeah, actually it's so funny. आज सुबह मैं जल्दी उठ गया तो मैंने पराठे खाए।
अच्छा।
घर का मक्खन था,
Hmm.
and I was like dying to eat it, और आम का अचार।
Oh.
So actually for breakfast today morning I had 3 पराठे खाए और अचार।
But you can do better. कितने खा सकते हो मैक्स?
नहीं, उससे ज्यादा भी नहीं। मैं जब अपने फार्म हाउस जाता हूँ तो वहाँ मैं गिनता नहीं,
अच्छा।
क्योंकि वहाँ का पानी अलग है, तो वहाँ मैं पता नहीं गिनता नहीं कितने खाए हैं, खाते ही रहता हूँ, जितने आते हैं खा लो। हमारे एक्चुअली फार्म हाउस पे हमने भैंसें रखी हैं, गाय रखी हैं, तो हमें हमेशा देसी घी मिलता है, घर का मक्खन, फ्रेश मिल्क। माय किड्स हैव एक्चुअली ग्रोन अप हैविंग प्योर मिल्क, बिकॉज नो मैटर व्हाट, कितना भी कोशिश कर लो, सिटीज में प्योर प्रोडक्ट्स इतने इजीली मिलते नहीं हैं।
Right. There's one more thing that you love, milk.
Yes, I used to drink a lot of milk when I was growing up. मतलब मैं कम से कम दिन में 7-8 ग्लास पी लेता था।
Is it okay इतना दूध पीना?
अभी पता चल रहा है कि पेट थोड़ा खराब रहता है, पर मुझे दूध का बहुत शौक था,
हाँ.
और मैं हमेशा ढूंढता था सबसे बड़ा ग्लास कहाँ है, ताकि मेरे को सबसे ज्यादा दूध मिल जाए।
Really?
Yeah, I had a special glass.
अच्छा.
Someone had gifted my dad a glass, and I used to. It was very big, so I was
Yeah.
like, "This is my glass."
Hmm.
You know, so that's how it was. Abhi, maybe 1 glass.
So I'm going to give you a few choices. Okay, you've got to choose one. Paneer tikka या butter chicken?
Butter chicken.
बल्ले बल्ले और ओए होए?
बल्ले बल्ले.
लस्सी और चाय?
लस्सी.
So are you a lassi person or a छाछ person?
I'm a lassi person.
अमृतसरी नान और मक्के दी रोटी?
I think मक्की दी रोटी.
पटियाला पेग और काला खट्टा?
Definitely Patiala peg.
भांगड़ा और गिद्दा?
You know, it's always so nice to see all the ladies doing gidda, and you know, it's just fun when the wedding festival. We just had a wedding in the family,
Okay.
and I just love watching my chachi, my mom, and my cousins and aunts and everyone dancing, and then you know, it was just so much fun.
Yeah, I'm sure they all dragged you for your signature dance move. Or they
No,
didn't?
उस वक्त आने में लगी नहीं थी।
अच्छा.
पर वो सिग्नेचर हो ही नहीं सकता, क्योंकि जब मैं छोटा था और पंजाब जाते थे गर्मी और सर्दियों की छुट्टियों में, तो यू नो इट्स अ वेरी डन थिंग है। जब सारे मर्द लोग दारू पी लेते थे, तो मैं छोटा था, पापा के साथ बैठा होता था, देखते थे लोग, फिर म्यूजिक बजने लगता था, फिर वो सर पे ग्लास रख के डांस कर रहे हैं, बॉटल रख के डांस कर रहे हैं। आई एक्चुअली फाइंड इट वेरी अम्यूजिंग, सो इट जस्ट इज समथिंग आई हैव सीन सिंस आई वाज अ किड, आई थिंक।
Since then you've been doing the balancing act?
No. I just, when I was doing Animal, it just came to me because I was playing this really masculine kind of a character,
Yeah.
and it just came naturally. I just thought of it and it happened, and my director liked it.
Gedi in your Range Rover or in your Porsche?
I love Porsche, and it was always my dream. जब मैं छोटा था तो हमारे घर में एक लाल गाड़ी थी जो Porsche थी, पापा की गाड़ी थी, 2 door. तब मैं चलाता नहीं था गाड़ी, क्योंकि मैं बहुत छोटा था, तो मेरा हमेशा सपना रहा है कि जब मैं काम करने लगूंगा तो मैं डेफिनेटली एक स्पोर्ट्स कार खरीदूंगा, वो होगी Porsche और लाल रंग की होगी।
अच्छा।
तो फिर मैंने अपना सपना पूरा कर लिया, लेकिन अब मैं सोचता हूँ कि रास्ते तो है नहीं, जगह तो है नहीं गाड़ी चलाने के लिए, इतनी ट्रैफिक है, यू नो, इट्स लाइक, बट आई हैड अ ड्रीम, आई बॉट इट।
ओके, और भी ऐसे आप विश लिस्ट बनाते हो कि मुझे ये चाहिए, इज देयर अ बकेट लिस्ट और अ मैनिफेस्टेशन लिस्ट?
I mean, I just manifest that I can keep on shopping whatever I like. Simple as that. I mean, every time, every day, your choices keep changing.
राइट, तो आपको शॉपिंग का भी बहुत शौक है?
Yeah, I'm a shopaholic.
Yeah, I've heard your wardrobe is massive. Count किया कितनी shirts, t-shirts, shoes हैं आपके पास?
Count नहीं करता मैं. I love sunglasses. I like clothes basically, you know, and it's something I grew up when I was a kid. I used to hate wearing. I hate shopping actually. मैं बहुत गोल मटोल था, तो मेरी माँ मुझे शॉपिंग लेके जाती थी और परेशान कर देती थी मुझे और अपने आप को कि तुझे तो कुछ फिट ही नहीं आता, बड़ों आदमियों के कपड़े खरीदने पड़ते हैं। फिर and I used to get so fed up, क्योंकि लेंथ लंबी होती थी, वेस्ट मेरी बड़ी थी। I said I don't want clothes, So she used to then just go pick up things for me. Then once I was like 15, I suddenly became tall and I lost weight. I went out with my dad. He doesn't have that much patience to shop.
Yeah.
वो एक दुकान में गए, उन्होंने बोला ये शर्ट में 4 कलर दे दो, ये शर्ट पैंट में ये दे दो, बॉबी के लिए इसके लिए भी एक ये दे दो, ये दे दो. I was like wow. And then I wore the clothes and they were looking nice and I was looking nice in them. And that's how I fell in love with clothes and things like that.
Right.
And sunglasses was always a passion for me because बचपन से मैं पापा की फिल्में देखता था, उनकी फोटोग्राफ्स, तो जो चश्मे पहनते थे मुझे हमेशा चाहिए थे वैसे चश्मे. तुम कभी मिलते नहीं थे, पापा फिल्म में पहन के छोड़ देते थे वहाँ पे, लगता उनका कबर्ड खोल के ढूंढता था तो मिलते नहीं थे. So that's how my passion for sunglasses. I love perfumes, I love aromas, oils, I love candles, I love all these kind of things.
Yeah. And when did you begin your fitness journey, so to say? Was it ever since you became an actor or?
I think it was just that I was born heavy. जब मैं पैदा हुआ था, हम एक छोटे से नर्सिंग होम में पैदा हुआ था और मैंने वहाँ पर रिकॉर्ड तोड़ दिया था. The heaviest baby born. I was 11 pounds and a few ounces.
Okay.
So I was a big baby. और फिर उसके बाद में खाने का शौक था. I have a weakness for sweet. I have like a sweet tooth. And also it just, even you just tend to be with baby fat and then suddenly it disappears. Now it's more about fitness in the sense that I do cardio and I work out. I love weightlifting and it's like I have a beautiful gym. It's like my place of worship. I cannot not work out and go for work after that. I have to work out before I go to work.
Yeah.
So, and it's like the whole family's down there in the gym working out. My sons, my brother's kids, my wife, my brother, everyone is always in the gym. Yeah.
मैंने सोचा था आप सब डाइनिंग टेबल पर बॉन्डिंग करते हैं, बट दिस इज अ वेरी फिट पंजाबी फैमिली, एवरीबॉडी बॉन्डिंग इन अ जिम. तो फिर आज मेन्यू में क्या है? व्हाट इज इट दैट वी आर गोइंग टू ईट? अब ये लौकी हम किचन में दे देते हैं.
It reminds me of this show, my favorite show called Panchayat. Has anyone seen Panchayat? उसमें हमेशा लौकी देते रहते. I just finished watching the 3rd season. I love that show. As you presented me with a lawki, I didn't know you were going to present me with my favorite sabzi. So there's moong ki dal and lawki.
Oh, amazing.
It's the best, it's most satisfying meal for me.
Okay, so let's begin the Sunday brunch. इतना अच्छा घर का खाना, it's reminding me of my home now. Is this how your usual lunch is?
Yes, it is. I love dal. I always say it that I love moong ki dal.
And I also love the plates. It's really nice. Thank you. तो आपको कुकिंग का शौक है इतना?
नहीं, I can't cook.
बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
The only thing I can make is cold coffees. I make really good cold coffees. I think I make the best cold coffees.
The lawki is really good. अच्छी है ना?
अच्छी कैसे नहीं होगी, मेरे घर की.
No wonder you like it so much. I need to know the recipe. Do you know the recipe?
It's simple. Made in desi ghee also. So, I mean, everything is desi ghee.
Right. तो आपका स्कूल कॉलेज भी यहीं रहा है आसपास?
Yes, my school was like 3 minutes away from here.
You would go walking to your school?
I was never allowed to go walking. My dad was very protective.
Really? अच्छा.
Yeah.
और आपको स्कूल में भी स्पेशल ट्रीटमेंट मिलता था?
बिल्कुल नहीं. I was a very shy kid. I never wanted to be noticed. I tried to sit in the back and just kept to myself.
And you and Sunny sir were in the same school, or no? You're many years apart, right?
Yeah, he was in the school, but I was in nursery when he joined the school.
Okay, all right. Who's the naughty one between the two of you?
My brother.
I don't think anybody would believe this.
You can ask my mother.
Yes, she would be the right person.
I was the quieter one. My brother was the mischievous one. He used to always be up to something. I know stories about him when he was a kid and they lived in an apartment. Suddenly, my mother would notice his clothes have disappeared because he would give his clothes away to people, any servant or someone. His clothes would be gone because he's wanted to be there for others. He was like that. But he used to be mischievous. He used to climb up and always get hurt. Then he used to get hit by mom because he had hurt himself and things like that.
Double padti hai jab
but not mischievous in that sense.
Yeah.
But in the way a child would be. He used to love driving. He started driving at the age of 12, I think, or 11.
And of course, your dad has always been so famous. And as a kid, when you would see बहुत लोग आ रहे हैं आपके पापा से मिलने, तो आपको अच्छा लगता था, आप irritate होते थे. What were your emotions at
I
that
used to
point of
find
time?
it really nice. I've always seen कि जब लोग पापा को देखते थे, तो उनकी आंखों में I could only see love for him. You know, it was not like they were looking at a superstar. It was more about this affection I saw in their eyes. And that's one of the things that made me want to be an actor. I wanted the same kind of love from people when I became an actor. Because I think that is more long lasting than anything else. And he's a phenomenal actor. He's the most versatile and I mean, he's a legend. And there were always people in my house. जब भी मैं छोटा था तो स्कूल से आता था तो जब सरसों के तेल की खुशबू फैली हुई थी घर के अंदर तो मुझे मालूम था मेरे कोई रिश्तेदार या कोई गांव से आ गया है जो हमारे घर में अभी मेरा कमरा चला गया है ये मेरे कमरे में वो रहेंगे. As I said, I was a golu. So every time someone came to my house, they pressed my cheeks. तू तो हीरो बनेगा, तू तो हीरो बनेगा. So I was like, हाँ मैं हीरो बनूंगा. I didn't even know what it meant at that point.
Your actual name is not Bobby, right?
I think one of my cousin sisters kept my name Bobby. I don't know why, but I guess it's a tradition that पंजाब में हर बच्चे का एक nickname होता है.
हाँ जी.
जैसे भैया का असली नाम अजय है, तो सब सनी बुलाते हैं. मेरी सबसे बड़ी बहन विजेता है, उसको लाली बुलाते हैं. फिर उससे छोटी जो है, वो अन्नू है, और उसका असली नाम अजीता है. और मैं विजय हूँ, तो मेरा नाम बॉबी है, nickname.
आपने अपने बच्चों को भी निकनेम दिया है?
I was so against nicknames. I wanted one name.
Yeah.
So I decided that when I have kids, I'm not going to give them nicknames. I'd only have one name for them. And I used to fight with my sisters if they tried to give him a name, any of my boys. And so finally, everyone calls my older one Ariman, and my younger one is Dharam. I mean, I always wanted to name my firstborn after my dad, but घर में सब बोलने लगे, how will we call him by his name? I said, but no one calls dad by his name. You know?
Yeah.
So Papa, Bade Papa, Mama Ji. Then when I had the second child, it was a boy. I said, now I'm naming him after my dad. Because my grandmother, बहुत जब पापा को बुलाया करती थी तो जैसे धर्म बोलती थी, जो आवाज जिस तरह वो बुलाते थे पापा को, I just love that sound of that name. It had some magic in it.
Yeah.
Something very special, something very pure. I don't know.
So second one was easier to convince everybody.
No one could stop me. I said, I'm just keeping his name.
But वैसे tell me, are you like very strong-headed? अगर आपने decide कर लिया तो do you listen to others या आप नहीं चलाते हो?
Well, if you ask my wife, she'll say, like, I don't listen. But I do listen. But then maybe she's right.
Okay, we need Tanya now on the show to confirm this news. So, have you worked anywhere else other than being an actor?
No,
तो
I haven't.
कभी नहीं. आपका सबसे पहला जो आपकी फिल्म थी वही आपका सबसे पहला काम था.
Actually, I did a small role when I was only 5 or 6 years old.
Yeah.
I played
Child
my dad's
artist.
childhood character in Dharamveer. I was really excited about that. My first film was Barsat.
Oh, उसकी भी एक अपनी story है, right? It took really long for that film to get made.
Yeah, it did. Because my director Shekhar Kapoor suddenly got this Hollywood film called The Bandit Queen. He really wanted to do his first film with me, but somehow, you know, getting an opportunity like that, he didn't want to lose out on it. So my dad said, then you go ahead and do it because हम नहीं wait करने वाले, मेरा बेटा मेरे लिए special है तो. And Raj Santoshi always wanted to make the first film with me. So luckily he was there and he's an amazing director himself. Lucky to get a chance to work with Raj.
Yeah, the director changed, the actors changed, the title of the film also changed. And
टाइटल हमने हम कोशिश कर रहे थे कि बादल रखने के लिए, लेकिन वो जिसकी एक क्या है ना टाइटल रजिस्टर हो जाते हैं तो मुश्किल पड़ रहा था टाइटल लेना उनसे. So we got Barsat and then finally I also did a film called Badal.
Right, yeah.
Which was
So it was meant to happen,
yeah.
but just
And I've done 2 Barsats.
yeah, exactly.
That's also strange.
So you had a rocking start to your career, isn't it? बहुत सारी आपने फिल्में की उसके बाद. If I may ask you, which has been your most memorable film till date? Which one would that be?
It has to be my first film. It has to be. It's the first time I stepped in front of the camera. It's the first of everything for me, you know. And so that'll always. I still remember the first shot I did. I had to walk down the stair, and I come down and I look into the side of the camera and I just smile. That was when Shekhar Kapoor had directed me. But obviously, no one saw that because we shot for 27 days and We had to
Yeah.
shelve it. After that, जब मैंने दिल लगी की, I think that is my most favorite film. My brother directed it,
Yeah.
and I think he brought out the best of in me as an actor.
So when you and your brother work together, तो ऐसे कुछ differences नहीं होते? Because when I and my sister work on anything together, we start fighting.
Oh, yeah, differences आते हैं. Creatively, there are differences, but
Yeah.
you know, but because he was my brother, so I could discuss with him, and
Yeah.
I think that's the reason why my performance in Dil Lagi, if you see it any time whenever you get a chance,
Yeah.
was quite so much more better than all my earlier films.
Hmm.
And I think it's healthy to have discussions, you know, not arguments. But
Yeah.
he's my elder brother, so I could never really argue with him.
Okay. You also had your leg fractured during your first film.
It was my last day of the shoot actually. My brother, when I was doing my first film, he saw the film and then he said, "ये मुझे इसके तेरा introduction को और enhance करना है."
Hmm.
So we flew to Italy because एक tiger के साथ fight sequence था मेरा. और इंडिया में क्या था उस वक्त एनिमल क्रूल्टी के बारे में कुछ सोचता नहीं था. तो जब हमने टाइगर बुलाया तो उन्होंने उसका मुंह सिया हुआ था. And we were like, "What the hell is this?" And we said, "Please, this is like you're torturing an animal." And we said, "No, we cannot do this. So please get those things off the thing." It was so cruel.
Yeah.
And then भैया said that इटली में एक है एक बंदा जो जिसका खुद का जू है और ट्रेंड एनिमल्स हैं. तो फिर मैंने वहाँ पर टाइगर के साथ फाइट की जिसका मुंह खुला था. और I used to stop thinking when I was doing a scene because अगर कुत्ता काट दे तो क्या हालत होती है. तो अगर शेर काट जाएगा तो but it was fun. And then उसके बाद में मैं एक हॉर्स राइडिंग सीक्वेंस था जो हमने लंदन में आके कर रहे थे. And that's when I had the accident. And I still have a rod in my leg.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Even during the filming of Gupt, did you have a fractured leg
उस
or
वक्त मेरी
no?
लात ठीक नहीं हुई थी
अच्छा.
और मुझे मैंने ऑलरेडी गुप्त की शूटिंग शुरू कर दी थी.
Hmm.
तो मुझे that's why all the songs I've done after my first song.
Yeah.
My first song I was absolutely fine. I had not broken my leg. That was Duniya Hasinon Ka Mela. But when I was doing the other songs, that's why my steps were all hand movements.
Yeah.
Because I couldn't dance with my
I
leg
know,
was broken. And I was on crutches. So that became like a Bobby Deol style of dancing, I think. at that point.
There are so many memes and videos on that, and I was just watching the videos today just to notice. Oh yeah, there are no leg movements; there are only hand movements,
because
and very very expressive.
I had to have a second surgery after that.
Oh, okay.
So it took like 8-9 months for my leg to actually become fine.
I mean, like you mentioned, you know, this industry, there are many highs. The highs are very high, the lows are very low, and you've been through that. What is it that has taught you being in the entertainment industry, which you wouldn't have learned anywhere else?
I think to be resilient, to never, you know, it makes you tough. And you know, it's all about self-belief. I think no matter what profession you are, you have to have self-belief. You know, you get up in the morning and you're feeling insecure, unsure, but you have to just tell yourself, I'm going to conquer the world. Nothing can stop me. I manifest, and I don't think whatever you manifest really actually happens. But when you manifest, it makes your mind positive. Even if you don't achieve exactly what you want, you achieve something which is taking you towards that direction.
Yeah, yeah. But I'm sure it takes like a lot of years to actually come to this stage where you sort of talk to yourself, knowing कि अपने आप को किस तरह से आप better feel करवा सकते हो in moments when you're actually down and out.
Eventually, you know that there's always a bright light in the end of a tunnel,
Yeah.
and you just can't give up.
At what point did you start again? Like you started getting amazing series like Ashram, Class of 83, or even Animal for that matter. What change did you bring in yourself? क्या आप खुद जाने लगे aggressively अपने आप को pitch करते थे या
I
रोज के
did.
लिए open हुए?
It all started, I think, when I did Poster Boys. I think working with Shreyas Talpade was a big learning for me because he's an actor himself, and I learned a lot from him as an actor. I felt it opened up my eyes. It made me realize how I can search inside me to feel those emotions. It didn't do well at box office, but I was still very proud of that film. And then met a lot of people, went to everyone, met everyone, tried to tell them, look, you know, I'm really focused now. I have all this written about me on the internet that I'm not focused, I'm not interested, but it's not true. And if you think of me for any character, please let me know. And slowly, Salman, who I call Mamu, I love him, he suddenly, you know, called me one day and said, "Shirt utarega." I said, "Mamu, I'll do anything." So he said, "Come and meet me," and that's how I got raised to you, because I hadn't met him. I used to keep bumping into him. He says, "Kya kar raha hai? Tune daadi uga liya, ye kar liya, wo kar liya." I said, I was trying to work on a project which no one was trying to back at that point. And then, so finally he called me. And slowly, then I got Houseful. And I wanted to be a part of these big films because as an actor, the younger generation didn't know much about me.
Yeah.
And I knew that if I work with Salman, they will all go to watch the film and they will notice this actor called Bobby, you know. And it worked. You know, after Houseful, little kids started coming up to me because it was a comedy. And then finally OTT. I think OTT made a big difference in my career. I think OTT was something where I, as an actor, got a chance to do characters which I was dying to do. Started with Class of 83, then I got Ashram, then I got Love Hostel. It all kind of collectively has helped me move forward, you know. And then Animal, I always believe the magic of silver screen cannot be touched by the magic of OTT platform. Silver screen पे जब कुछ चलता है तो लोग पता नहीं आपकी लाइफ बदल जाती है. And God has been kind. I always feel very grateful that, first of all, Prakash ji gave me a chance to play a character which was so different, and I was his first choice. And then Animal, like one photograph of mine from somewhere made Sandeep want to take me for that character, you know. So things just fell in place.
Wow. And I saw one video of yours where you got so much love for Animal that at one point you also were teary-eyed because of the kind of affection everybody displayed towards you.
Yeah, see, every actor dreams about moments like this in their life, you know. I can understand there's so many actors who are waiting for that moment to happen. You know, they work so hard. I'm not the only one who works hard. I think that everybody in our industry, the young generation, even the ones who have been in the industry for so many years, struggling to get good work, they all work hard. It's just things have to fall in the right place for them, you know. And I think, honestly, I always feel that's my mother-in-law's blessing. I lost her just before Animal released, and I think it's her blessing. You know, that's what makes me feel that it's given me that strength. So, I mean, I guess everybody needs to work hard and believe in themselves, you know, be positive, and don't pity yourself. When you start pitying yourself, that's when everything goes wrong.
Yeah, and you were very close to your mother-in-law.
I was.
Okay, so are we also going to see you in Animal Park?
All I was told when I was doing the film was my part and this outline of the story. And then when I was watching the film for the first time, I suddenly see Ranbir in a different avatar, and suddenly it says Animal Park, you know. So I guess, I mean, I don't know.
Okay, so if you have to describe today's food in a very Abrar style, how would you do it?
I will just do.
Okay, we're going to play a game, Who's Who. I'm going to name a few animals. You're going to tell me who from the Bollywood industry represents that animal.
Okay, I'll try. But
Simple, okay? Lion, somebody who's regal and powerful.
My brother.
Peacock, elegant and charismatic.
Deepika.
Elephant, wise and gentle.
I think Ranbir Kapoor, he believes he's an elephant himself,
Really?
which I think is him.
Butterfly, vibrant and transformative.
My favorite actress, Alia Bhatt. I think she is vibrant, she's amazing. She just transforms into different characters.
Okay, and finally, Tiger, somebody who is royal, confident and courageous.
Well, it has to be my dad or my brother. Actually, my dad is a lion, my brother is a tiger.
Okay, and what about you? How would you describe yourself? What kind of an animal are you?
I think I'm a dog.
A dog?
Yeah.
Okay, why?
Because I am just the way, I love to be cuddled.
That's a good description. What about travel? Are you fond of traveling?
I am traveling tomorrow I'm dying to travel tomorrow I'm going for a family holiday after 2019.
Okay.
And I love traveling. And I went for a friend's wedding to Rome for the first time after I broke my leg. And it was beautiful. I love the food out there. and I love going to my farmhouse. I love mountains. I don't like the ocean so much.
Oh, you don't really? Okay. I was just going to
I'm-
ask you, are you a beach person or a mountain
I like
person?
the mountains.
You like the
I like Manali. I mean, Kashmir is beautiful. I haven't been there since 1985. That was the last time I was 87, I think.
Oh, okay. That long ago.
Yeah, I went for my dad's shooting. I love traveling.
Yeah.
I love cities more.
Okay. And what about Tanya? Does she have similar choices like you?
Yeah,
or-
she does. She also loves traveling, but she also works, so she has to get time off herself. So finally, she and me and my kids, we're all flying together.
We saw your recent post about your anniversary. I think you've been married for good years.
28 years.
28 years. What is the secret of a really strong marriage, especially when you're in Bollywood or
There's
the
no secret. There is no secret. It was a match made in heaven, and things just keep falling in place. It's not that it's perfect, but we just understand each other. We fight, we get angry, we say things to each other. At the same time, after we do all that, we still love each other because that's normal. No, there's no recipe for a perfect wedding.
Do you get angry just like Abrar?
Well, I think I'm pretty good at antagonist roles because my wife always says, "Don't make those faces." I say, "No, I'm practicing."
It's been lovely enjoying this brunch with you. I totally understand why you love that lauki ki sabzi because it is that delicious. Thank you.
Oh, it was fun being on your show. Thank you for having me, and you're a real sweetheart. It was so easy talking to you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.